You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of this Shakespearean character? For more names from Shakespeare, stay tuned. Alright. There are two slightly different interpretations on how to pronounce this name from Macbeth. Fleance. Fleance. Some say it a bit more as Fleance, or something in between, as in Fleance. Okay, so Fleance or Fleance, or in between, Fleance. Now, in French it would be said, I guess, as Fleance, which is probably where the confusion comes from. But now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.